Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
Hey, Mike Foster here, having a walk and talk. You know, I have a lot of videos about balance. You can check them out on my playlists. And I can't talk enough about balance. This video is called Balance It. And it's another video about the importance of balance in our life. And it's not just balance so you don't fall over. Although as you get older, sometimes that balance can be a challenge. But the most important thing is balance in your life. In your work, your rest, your play, your relationships, your exercise, your excess, your diet, your consumption, balance and moderation, two different things, but you need to balance. You need to work hard. I'm an advocate of working hard. Nothing in this life comes easy, and hard work can certainly help you get there. But you can't work yourself to death. You have to balance that. You have to balance hard work with relaxation. You have to balance trying to make a living with enjoying living life. You have to balance eating well, eating good food, having a blast, eating fried egg sandwiches and cheeseburgers, with eating healthy fruits and vegetables, lean protein. You have to balance sitting on your butt watching a movie, eating popcorn, with this, exercising, coming out and walking, going to the gym, doing the things you need to do to be a complete, healthy, balanced human being. You got to balance self-time. You got to be able to find time for self, but also time for your kids, time for your spouse, time for your family, time for your friends. If you're those type of person that can't say no, you're going to be exhausted because you don't have self-time. You don't have balance. Balance it. You know, life is full of ups and downs. It's challenging, but it's also the only life you have, and it's great sometimes, and it's terrible sometimes. The key is finding that balance and understanding that you control more than you think. And the good news is there's going to be dark days, there's going to be great days. But if you have the balance, you're going to figure it out. Hope this video helped you. If you want more, check out Live Life 365 at YouTube and my website. And keep it balanced. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.